Waqf Act won't be implemented in Bengal, says CM.
What do you want?
He is not going to implement Waqf. How can it be possible in this matter?
You have to see now. Whatever if state government has got their own guidelines rules, this Waqf is Central Act. We have to say on what context she has made a statement. I don't.
The National Herald ED begins position of assault linked to Sonia Rahul Gandhi.
This is political vendetta. They want to disturb that Herald. In that they want to just victimize, because it's just created by this BJP government to harass our leaders. We are not afraid of all those things. We will fight back. They have done no mistake. Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi or trust have done no mistake. It's only political motivated issue.
The Karnataka Caste Census Panel backs for 51% OBC quota, horizontal job reservation. The Karnataka Caste Census Commission has recommended raising the OBC reservation quota from 32% to 51%, which would push total reservation in the state to 85%.
Now, just 2 days back, in the cabinet, that caste survey report was placed, and copies are given to the minister to study. If they have made anything to be added or deleted, those things they have asked. The CM has asked the opinion of the ministers also, and also definitely it will be discussed. Right now, officially, that report is not been published. It is only for given to the minister. They will again discuss. Our 17th cabinet meeting is there. Then they will see what has to be adopted, how it should take place, and after that, it will be also be discussed in the assembly.
Are you also in favor of 85% reservation?
Right now, the report has been submitted. After the cabinet decision, the decision of the government. After that, we will react on that.
The caste census is a political drama. Taking attack on Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, accusing him of using the caste census as a political gimmick to divert public attention from the Congress government.
Caste census for social justice, and every community has to get justice. For that, the survey has been done. It was done early 1931 when British government was, I think. Later on, they were done. That Bihar has adopted, Telangana has adopted. Now Karnataka, the committee has been submitted. That cabinet will take a decision, then it will be a discussion. It will also be discussed in the assembly. That's what Chief Minister said. So we are open to all those things for discussion. Thank you.